In this 2019 PSLE question, we are told that Siti had a rectangular piece of paper 35 cm by 24.6 cm. She cut out as many squares as possible from the paper. The side of each square was 5 cm. What area of the paper was left and how many squares did Siti cut out? So let's go ahead to draw this rectangular shape first. Okay, so this is the rectangular shape of the paper and the dimensions are given by 35 by 24.6, and the squares that were cut out each were 5 cm by 5 cm. Now if you look at the length, 35 is divisible by 5, so 35 divided by 5, you get 7. Okay, so across the length over here, what you have is you have 7 squares. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, across the breadth of this paper, the closest whole number you can get is 4. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this will give me 20, and the balance over here is 4.6. Okay, so across the breadth, you can only have 4 squares each, alright, and then you have a balance of 4.6. So the total amount of paper that will be left is actually this section here. Okay, in this section, if you look at the breadth is 4.6 and the length is the entire length of the rectangle, which is 35. Okay, so for part A, the area of the paper that was left is actually 35 multiplied by 4.6, and that will give me 161 cm square. For part B, we are asked how many squares did Siti cut out. So from the picture that we have drawn, we can easily see that the number of squares that Siti cut out are actually 7 multiplied by 4. 7 multiplied by 4 should be 28 squares. Okay, so these are the 2 answers for this question here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.